WestAir is committed to growing our business and maintaining a leading distributor edge. WestAir has invested in an upgraded cylinder maintenance department at our facility in eastern San Diego. Our goal was to maximize the space in this facility to better service our entire cylinder operation in California. This new maintenance facility is a massive upgrade for WestAir, allowing us to operate safer and more efficiently. The equipment will assist us in maintaining a consistent fleet of cylinders that will enhance our brand recognition in the marketplace. Let's take a look at the new maintenance process. We begin by sorting all cylinders by their respective sizes. The cylinders are then inspected and identified if they are out of date and need testing. The cylinders are then staged to run through the blaster. Blasting them will remove surface paint and rust from the cylinder. The new roll-through blaster provides a higher throughput for our repair facility versus the front loader we previously had, as well as providing a safer working environment for our employees. If a cylinder requires testing, it will then be run through our UE machine, which will provide a scan of the cylinder. The UE scan will identify the cylinder sidewall thickness, as well as dents, gouges, or other abnormalities that may be present in the cylinder. This process is needed for requalifying the cylinders and ensuring they're in proper condition for our customers. The cylinders are then secured by the cap to travel through the paint conveyor, where it will receive a fresh coat of paint. Not having to manually spin the cylinders has not only dramatically increased our throughput, but has created a much safer and ergonomic process for our employees as well. After the paint is applied, the cylinders continue until they reach the baking process, allowing cylinders to dry in just minutes. What used to take days by hand now can be accomplished within 30 to 40 minutes in the new facility. For WestAir, as well as many of our customers, the quality as well as the image of our cylinders is mission critical. The investments we've made in our new maintenance facility gives us the ability to do this in a very efficient manner. Over the coming years, we will process hundreds of thousands of cylinders at this facility. The equipment we've invested in will allow us to increase throughput, which will support future growth demands for years to come. WestAir will continue to invest in equipment and technology to make our company a better partner for our customers and associates. Learn more about our services and products at westairgases.com.